Dr. Mallikarjun garu, good afternoon, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Thanks for the invitation, sir. Thank
We will start, sir. We will start within 1 minute, sir. Thank you.
you. Yeah. Please.
Dr. Jagadish. Dr. Jagadish, good afternoon, sir.
Hello.
Dr. Jagadish, am I audible to you, sir?
Yeah, audible, sir. Audible. Thank you.
Good afternoon. We'll start within
Yeah.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah, okay. Sir.
Jagadish, sir, how is that triple IT Naya Raipur, sir? Are you adjusted to the terrain environment and
Sir, now I am in NI sir. National Institute of Technical
that-
Teach.
yes, yes, and I am talking to just Mallikarjun, sir, is from triple IT Naya Raipur now. How is the environment and what type of labs they have for data science and all things?
Yes, sir. We are having good facilities.
Uh,
So the thing is here, it is very hot. I'm talking about weather.
Weather is it is scary. Okay. We are
Yeah,
waiting for Dr. Radhakrishna, professor in the Department of CSE, sir. He will join within 1 minute. That's what they said. We will start within 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
So NITTR, are you planning any special sessions for the quantum and all other things, sir? Is it quantum is a part of that NITTR?
Yes, sir. Actually, we are giving FTPs or STTPs on quantum and also NLP, natural language processing. And also we are planning to introduce a graduation course on data science and engineering.
Online or offline? It is
The courses are offline, sir.
offline. Okay.
These courses, STTPs, are offline or online based on the request of the host institutions. Suppose some institutions directly they are calling us in-house program directly. We go to their institutions and we are giving 5 days STTP on the particular topic.
And do you measure the outcome also, sir? Like you take a FDP for 5 days in a host institute, assume. After that, do you do any follow-up or how do you measure the outcome of the particular FDP that you have taken or something like that? Is there any mechanism?
At present, actually, that depends on the host institute. Otherwise, we are conducting a quizzes on every day.
Okay.
Those who those who pass, or those who cross the cutoff or threshold, then we are providing the certificates.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Radhakrishnan garu. Good afternoon, sir. Dr. Radhakrishnan garu. Can we start the meeting, sir?
Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, please.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So, good afternoon, everyone. And on behalf of the Department of CSE and Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Bhimbaram, I welcome all the Board of Studies members, particularly our P. Radhakrishnan garu, professor from NIT Warangal, and Dr. Jagadish from NITTR Kolkata, and Dr. Mallikarjun Rao garu from IIIT Naya Raipur, Sai Chandana from Athena Health, and Lalita from Microsoft, and faculty members, our principal sir and vice principal garu, the deans and faculty members. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome again to our Board of Studies meeting. So the context of this particular BOS meeting is to approve the syllabus of 4.1 because the syllabus of first year was approved in 2023, second year was approved in 2024, and the third year syllabus was approved in the Board of Studies meeting held at 2025. And again, last year we have met in August, it seems to be on 21st of August, we met to ratify the syllabus of MTech, the same board, including our Radhakrishnan garu, Jagadish garu, Mallikarjun sir, and all the other alumni. and industry experts, we met on the last year in 2025 August to ratify the MTech syllabus for the first year, second year, and the course structure. So to set the context, the BTech course structure was approved in the earlier BOS meetings. In the first year, second year, third year syllabuses are already approved. And in 4.1, we have 3 subjects with 8 options. So we need to approve the syllabus of 8 subjects. Before that, with your permission, I wish to present the achievements of the department for the last 1 year. And our department has 2 BTech programs, BTech in CSE and BTech CSE with specialization cybersecurity, and 2 MTech programs. BTech in CSE was accredited by NBA 4 times, 2 times in Type 2 category and 2 times in Type 1 category. So again, we have applied for reaccreditation of BTech CSE program the last month, like March 27, 28, 29, the inspection has happened. And we are hopeful that we will get 6 years this time. And the strength of faculty members are 45 faculty members with 20 faculty members pursuing a PhD. And various faculty members have received awards from various parts of even from the government of Andhra Pradesh. Dr. Purushottam Rajgar has received the best award in 2022. Myself in 2025, and Dr. Srikanth also received the best teacher award in 2025. And we participate in various board of studies meetings. I was the board of study member of JNTU Kakinada for 3 years in BTech CSE, BTech A, and BTech ML. And I also part of DNR Engineering College board. And Dr. Purushottam Rajagara, our Dean Academics, was also part of various BOS members. We consistently part of various FTPs taking sessions. And Dr. Maheshwara, our Dean Statistics Bodies, has presented papers, and we do consistently research. I produced 162 papers in Scopus, and Dr. Maheshwara has produced 84 plus papers. Very recently, I have received a 17 lakhs grant from a DST, a seed tied project. Myself is a PA, and Dr. Veerraghavan has completed PhD from NIT Tiruchi in full time. Is the co-PA of this project, sir. And even the students have represented the department at national level. For the last 4 years, consistently, our students have exhibited the projects at Delhi and received this Graham Bell Award. And this Aegis is a part of MIT, that is the part of government of India. And we encourage the students to participate in various events that are happening in IIT Madras and KL University, Kuchon. And we have a set of placements. These are the placement statistics that we have for the last 5 years. And this particular year in 2026, we have received 2 offers from Google with a package of 59 lakhs, Microsoft with a package of 56 lakhs, and Adobe, 3 students are placed with an average salary of 53.5. Institute, 3 students are placed with 45 lakhs per annum. And many companies, like the average salary of the department at this moment is 8.6 because of the strong curriculum that we have designed with the help of all the board of studies members, sir. And we have 27 students that are placed in HSBC from CSE department alone. And these are the quality publications that we are publishing for the last 4 years in Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 journals. Manish. And this is the utility patent granted in this March 2026, sir, for all the 10 staff belongs to my department. And set of faculty members are publishing papers in various Q1 journals. All the 6 faculty members belong to this the department. And with your permission, I wish to present the course structure that was approved by the earlier boards, so that we can have the glance of the subjects in 4.1 also. This is the course structure that is approved by the earlier boards. In first year, introduction to programming was a part of CSE department where the syllabus was approved. In 1.2, we have data structures and IT workshop. In 2.1, the standard subjects were kept: discrete mathematics, DLD, and data structures, Java, and Python programming. In 2.2, logically, operating systems, DBMS, software engineering, and full stack development 2 are a part of 2.2. This is a course structure that is already approved. So I'm just going through the course structure again. 3.1, we have data warehousing, CN, flat, and the flexibility was given in the terms of professional electives so that they can choose any of the 5. So we have chosen quantum computing this year for third year, first semester. It's already completed. Now people are there in third year, second semester. So data mining lab, full stack development 2. This is the course structure for 3-1. This is the course structure for Q2, starting with compiler design, cloud computing, and they have labs for both of cloud computing and this one. So cryptography and network and professional electives are there too. And there is an open elective which gives the student to learn multidisciplinary subjects also. And this is the course structure that was given by JN2 Kakinada. We are also following the course structure and the syllabus of JN2 Kakinada because they wish to implement NEP 2020 so that all the constitute colleges as well as the autonomous colleges will have the same course structure as well as the syllabus. So we are in line with the vision of NEP 2020 in the context of implementing the same course structure and syllabus for JN2 Kakinada. But in syllabus, we have 2 to 3% we have modified. We have added COs. We have added the mapping. I will just go through the syllabus also. This is the fourth year, first semester course structure, sir, where 2 open electives are there, which is in line with the mission of this NEP 2020 to create awareness about the multidisciplinary subjects that they learn either from EC department or any other department. Students can take this open elective 3 or 4. And there is only mandatory one subject that is called as deep learning for CSE. And we have 2 professional electives where they can choose any of these 2, 4 plus 4 plus 1. We have 9 subjects to be discussed and ratified the syllabus for this one. And 4-2, the entire discussion will be on the internship and project. They will not stay in the campus. They go for companies and do the internships and come back and submit their reports. This is the course structure of 4-1, sir. This is already approved in the earlier members. This is the MOOCs course. So the R23 curriculum is concerned. Every student should do at least one MOOCs course in their particular period of BTech. So these are the MOOC courses that are given by JNTU, and we have approved the same in the earlier boards. These are the subjects that we offer for the other branches. These are the honors subjects and the mandatory subjects and the mandatory MOOCs courses are already mentioned here, and every college and even our JNTU has prescribed this and are following the same thing. And this is the minors syllabus and subject for this course structure. And with your permission, I wish to present the syllabus of deep learning and other subjects that are pertinent to 4-1, sir. So 4-1, the compulsory subject that was there in the curriculum is deep learning. And we have course objectives are given, and we have written the course outcomes, the fundamentals of deep learning, introduction to deep learning and neural network. And to some extent, we have added this RN code with respect to the PyTorch tensors, deep learning with PyTorch, CNN in PyTorch. We have added this apart from what we have given, what it was given from JNTU. So interactive applications of deep learning was given. We have added these Boltzmann machines, restricted machines, and we have 3 textbooks that are prescribed. A.N. Goldfellow for the first 2 chapters, and these are the textbooks, standard textbooks that are for the deep learning. These are the reference textbooks, and this is the mapping COs and POs for the particular course outcomes that are listed here, sir. This is a mandatory subject that every student has to take for 4-1, sir. So coming to the optional subject, this is human resource and project management is a syllabus that is approved in NBA BOS. And among the 4 subjects, they can take software architecture and design patterns, where these are the course outcomes for the subject. The standard syllabus was given, starting with how to design the patterns and analysis of a system, and design pattern catalog. The standard patterns are included in the syllabus. Interactive systems and amnesia architecture, we have added this 4 lines. The reason is earlier board of studies, they said this is better, like implementing undo operation also. It will add a good things to this amnesia architecture. We have added this part. And this is the syllabus for the last unit, designing with distributed objects. And this is a mapping of COs and POs table. These are the standard textbooks that are referred, and the syllabus, entire syllabus was covered in the textbooks. And there is another option now. Blockchain, which was compulsory in cybersecurity, is an optional subject in CSE, sir. blockchain technology is what the same syllabus for both the BTech, cybersecurity and CSE. The syllabus is same. And based on their inputs, we have added this last 2 lines for this particular syllabus, which will enhance. We thought it can enhance the purpose of learning about the fundamentals of blockchain, public blockchain and private blockchain, and security in blockchain, applications of blockchain is the standard syllabus that was there in the textbooks. All the textbooks that are referred here have the same syllabus, sir. Based on this textbook itself, it seems that syllabus was designed, and this is the syllabus for the 5 units, sir. And this is one of the optional subject that we have, augmented reality and virtual reality. As we have a center of excellence in augmented reality and virtual reality, we thought of taking this. And this is the syllabus for this augmented and reality, sir. This is we have added this multi-view interfaces and AR application requirements. And then AR was 2 units and VR was 2 units, and mixed motion in real and virtual is the last unit that was there. This is the CO and PO mapping for this particular subject. Standard subjects were textbooks were included here. And this is the syllabus for IoT, which is another optional subject where they can take this subject among one. These are the 4 COs that are given. And we have discussed what exactly the impact of IoT in the CSE with the EC department people also, and finalized the syllabus after a consensus and discussion. So what was there before IoT and IoT sensing and actuation, IoT connectivity technologies, and these are the interoperability. This is the same standard syllabus was followed for this IoT, and this is the mapping that we have discussed and finalized with the EC department and come to this conclusion. Textbooks that we have followed. The first textbook have the entire syllabus. And the agentic AI is the other optional subject for computer science students where they can take this subject. And these are the 4 COs that we have laid. And it starts with the foundations of agentic intelligence and decision making and LLMs, followed by tools and framework for system design. And what exactly, how can this address the real-time applications ethical consideration was there in the last unit. And the 2 textbooks will have the entire syllabus, whether Russell and which this Michael, which 2 textbooks contain the entire syllabus, sir. And these are the COs and POs that we have mapped. And agile methodologies is the one of the option that students can take. And this is the syllabus, standard syllabus that was prepared. And these are the textbooks that are referred for having that syllabus. Generative AI is other optional subject that is for the 4th year students where they can also take this subject. This is the syllabus for this generative AI. And the same standard textbook was referred. Even some of the concepts are common because computer vision is the other subject that is one of the optional for the students to take. These are the 4 COs that are prepared. It starts with the basic cameras and filters and the geometry, and this is the segmentation model, and this is geometric camera models where some of the case studies are added at the syllabus, at the end of the syllabus. And this is the CO and PO mapping that was given. In cyber physical systems, we wish to add to the flavor of cybersecurity also, give an option for the students. This is the option for this. Symbolic synthesis of cyber physical systems and security concerns and synchronization concern and real-time scheduling of these cyber physical systems. And how can we integrate this in real time is what the syllabus of this particular subject. This is the mapping that we have done. Standard textbooks are referred. This is the syllabus for prompt engineering. So students can evaluate these LLMs. So these are the COs that we have designed. And this prompt engineering is also one of the skill-oriented course, which is mandatory. If they don't do this, they have to do a SVEM course in prompt engineering. It starts with prompt engineering, advanced prompts. How can we do that? How can we check the LLMs and RAG architecture and agentic model and AI? And there is a lab assessment that are prescribed, and we are going with the same lab assessment that are given by the JNTU Canada also. And this is the subject that is this is approved. The syllabus was approved in Science and Humanities last week, Constitution of India. And these are the subjects. We have only 8 subjects to ratify, sir. And if any suggestions, it is welcome, sir, from your side. Radhakrishnan, sir. Jagdish garu.
Sir,
Any suggestions from your side, sir?
sir, coming to deep learning,
Sir.
sir, you are included RNN, sir, in fourth
Yes,
unit.
yes, RNN and LS team also it was there.
Yes, sir, but you are putting a directly CNN as a heading, convolutional neural networks.
We can have CNN RNN also, because this RNN talks about sequential data. CNN can process video as well as images. So we can have RNN and CNN also, sir, as a title. Is it okay for you?
Otherwise, you can put a deep learning architectures. That is your wish, but you only put CNN title, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. I understood. That
That's
will be okay, sir.
Yes, sir, these course outcomes are fixed, sir. Actually,
No, we can change. We can change, sir, because this is kept after a lot of consensus. Course outcomes were not given by the JNTU. We have framed it, and we can have it. So we.
No, sir. That course outcomes are correct, but somewhat lengthy. So first
Yes,
one,
yes.
CO1, understand the fundamental concepts of AI, machine learning, deep learning, including learning paradigms.
Paradigms, model
That's okay.
evaluation.
Model evaluation. Up to this, and issues like actually we have so many issues now. No need to
Yes,
mention
yes.
in my point of view, but think once.
I understood. You can reduce the
Yes, yes.
CBOS contents. Yes, you can cut short the CBOS. You can have more meaningful.
CEOs, I think, as per my knowledge, CEOs should be a clean and straight
Yes,
point.
yes, yes. It
Think
has to be
once, sir.
quantifiable. We will do that, sir. We will do that.
Sir,
Because this-
here already NLP is over in 3.2. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
But after that, deep learning in 4.1.
Yes, we have ensured that the syllabus of that NLP will not in line with this syllabus, sir. Both syllabus are
Yes.
different, but
But usually after DN only people will go
Yes,
for
see.
computer vision or NLP. Okay, sir.
we are going in with see this course structure and the syllabus mostly. It was prepared by JNTU Kakinada, and we have added certain content which we feel that it will be meaningful actually. COs and even mapping tables and this red mass, all these things we have added actually. So we'll take the input, sir.
Computer
Take
vision
it
you
inputs.
added in optional. That is good. Okay, but
Yes, yes.
okay. Some
But-
people may confuse after
Yes, yes.
NLP.
What you said is right, but there is a logical flow. There
Yes,
should
yes.
be a logical flow, but
Already
that
you
is
are discussing RNN means it directly related to sequence that
yes, yes,
NLP.
yes. Yes, yes, yes. It's because
Okay,
we
sir.
need.
From my point of view, if you think once, sir, the convolutional neural networks. If you
Yes, yes.
change
What
any
is it?
common name
Yes, yes.
for deep learning architectures.
If you change the title itself, will be more meaningful. We'll do that, sir. That is a good suggestion. Actually, we'll take it.
Okay, sir, yes.
Radhakrishnan, sir.
This deep learning, you have 2.1,
Yes, sir.
2.10. The tutorial part you are saying, usually deep learning itself is a large subject. Maybe 2 hours may not be enough for. 3.0
Definitely,
may
sir.
be better. You said 2.10.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There's 2 credits only for theory.
Yes, sir. 310 is better. Okay, sir.
301, 300 or something. You have also lab also there. Lab is there.
Lab is not there, sir. For 441, there is no lab, sir. Only except prompt engineering, they kept a lab. Other.
But
things,
without lab, deep learning, what they learn,
it is not
that
meaningful.
is more
But what is that
important.
we do is that
202, you can make it. If you don't have
Yes.
the option
Yes.
to do that one, then make it 202.
That will be more interesting. So as a practical, we
Because
will
without
teach
practical, what they learn. Of course, all are tools only, but at least they should know how to use the tools and then.
Yes, sir. So what you said is right. But deep learning, we have made the students already to do projects. Sir. Actually, the ML projects, by the time they reach 4.1, they have at least they have to do 3 or 4 projects in deep machine learning and deep learning, sir. So the training was already given, sir, for machine learning third year, but we will do it, sir. Without the practical, they don't have any. See,
It's
even
not good also to.
good also. But 90% of students, they know all the concepts, even BERT and all the things what we are discussing now, they have already have that in 3.1 itself. We have bridge courses, sir. That is the reason. In deep learning and this machine learning, we will teach them in 3.1 and 3.2 as a bridge course itself.
Okay.
But GNTU, this deep learning is coming later at 4.1, sir. We will add that, sir. 202 will make, sir. That will make good sense also, sir.
No, but when they're learning in 3.1, 3.2,
Sir.
why required again? You can go for generative AI, bigger courses.
But this deep learning is a mandatory course that is suggested by GNTU, sir. That is the reason we are going. And they will do faster also, sir. In 3, anyway, in 4.1, they will be on placements. So obviously, this subject, they will take it very fastly. They can cover complete and they will get more marks also.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Any other sessions, sir?
Well, that's fine.
Okay, sir. Chandana madam and Lalita madam, if you have any queries, you have sent the see you have see you have sent some changes. I have changed that. And Mallikarjun sir, do you have any suggestions regarding this?
Yeah, sir. Actually, the course and the syllabus is aligned with JNTU, I hope. I think agentic AI and LLM part, I think it is missing, I guess. If any courses are there on agentic AI or LLM, if it covers, it's good. And I have one doubt, how you people are evaluating this 4 to means they are doing internship and submitting the report. How you people are considering assessing the projects?
See, when they have an internship, actually, see, the internships are generally provided by the placement teams, actually. And when they go for an internship, we also allocate a faculty members to the corresponding student. And they have to give 3 reviews on the internship also. They will get 200 marks for internship, 200 marks for the project. When 3 reviews are conducted for the project, 3 reviews also will be conducted for the internship, sir. So they have a prescribed book to be submitted. In that, there should be a certificate and all other things that mandatory that was made by the JNTU. So all these things will be there. The same expertise is also will be there. The reason that we have an average salary of 18.6 is because of the internships that we have in Google as well as Adobe and all other things. That is a procedure to evaluate the internships, sir. Actually, we do 2 reviews online and 2 reviews offline for internships and 3 offline reviews for this project also.
Yeah, that's fine, sir. For me, it's good, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So the even though Sir Radhakrishna sir, we have went for a women university, we have applied, sir. Most probably by the time it reaches the end of the next month, we may get the women university also, sir. So we are in the process of preparing the course structure of the first year, second year, and all the things. So I request all the BOS members to support that initiative also, sir, from the point of management and our institute point of view also.
First of all,
Radhakrishna sir,
congratulations, sir.
thank you very much, sir.
Advanced congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, sir. Advanced congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. With this, the resolutions that the members have said is about changing the deep learning course from 202, which will add some practical exposure for the students. And the 4th unit, the name can be changed. And any other suggestions, we'll just, because all the suggestions that are given by the industry experts have incorporated and given. Radhakrishnan sir and all the other experts, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mallikarjun garu and Jagdish garu and Chandana and Lalita, thank you very much and have a nice day.
Thank you very much, sir.